Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to light up the LED button on the Raspberry Pi. And before that, let me show you the things which I've used. These are the registers. I've used 220 K register for my connection, and then these are the jumper wires, male to female. And coming to the Raspberry, this is the Raspberry Pi Model 3. I'm going to show you the box. This is the model number. This is a Model B. I have a breadboard where I make the connections with the LED bulb, then the register 222, and then wires coming out of the breadboard and getting connected to the GPI of the Raspberry. One is connected to the ground, other is connected to the pin number 17. And how to access Raspberry is quite simple. You can access using putty. So you can configure your Raspberry to have a static IP, and then every time without bothering you can log in. And to access the GUI server of Raspberry, I've installed VNSC server on Raspberry Pi, and I've started using VNSC server command. And to access that from a laptop, I have VNC viewer installed in my machine, and you can see I can access my Raspberry Pi GUI using VNC server, VNC client and server, and you need to have the installation. You can see here I have a Mule file. By double clicking, I have opened and started the Mule server, and this is the name of the application AWP, which is going to light up the LED bulb in the Raspberry, connected to the Raspberry using the breadboard. And to call this, I have created one more API which is responsible to make an HTTP outbound call to the API which is deployed in Mule MMC within the Raspberry Pi. So this is the application. Using the get operation, I can invoke that. You can see here I have a flow reference which is nothing but a call to HTTP outbound call. So let me open this. This is the raml console, and I have a light up operation. If I click on the get HTTP get operation, if I say get, it should go ahead and make an HTTP outbound call to the API which is running on Raspberry Pi, and that particular application has the GPIO commands to access the pin number 17 on which the red color LED bulb is connected through the breadboard and the jumper wires, right? So let me go ahead and click on get, and if I come back, you can see in my code I have a loop. So every 2 seconds it will switch on and switch off the LED. It will be around 10 times within the loop. You can see here in the raml I got the success response, and this LED is blinking. So this is a very small example of showing how to run the Mule API on the Raspberry Pi, because Mule installation and Mule runtime is very lightweight, and having this Raspberry, which has only 1 GB RAM, right? It's very difficult to run, high loaded softwares. So Mule is anyway a very lightweight ESB, and we were able to successfully run a Mule API to light up the LED bulb. Okay, so this was the example. I'll be creating many more examples for the Raspberry Pi soon, and I'll be sharing those examples to you on the same YouTube channel. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. Bye bye.